Today's story is a letter from London. Dear family, hello from London. I hope you are all well in India. I miss you every day, but I am excited to share my experiences here with you. London is a busy and beautiful city. The streets are full of people and everyone walks quickly. The buildings are old and interesting, and the weather changes often. One moment it is sunny, and then suddenly it rains. I always carry an umbrella. Today I went to a big vegetable market. The market is noisy with many sellers calling out to people to buy fresh vegetables and fruits. I bought some apples, potatoes, and tomatoes. The apples here are sweet and juicy. I also went to a grocery shop nearby for rice and spices. I tried my best to talk with the shopkeeper in English. Sometimes it is hard, but I am learning every day. In the evening, I went to a park. The trees are tall and the flowers are colorful. Many people were sitting on benches, reading books, or feeding birds. It felt peaceful, and I thought of you all. I'm practicing my English here, and it is slowly getting better. People are kind and helpful when I make mistakes. I will write to you again soon. With love, Mahi.